doubt up to the question 5? No doubt. Okay.
Question number 3. Question number 3.
Question number 3.
Okay.
Okay, please read the question.
Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters.
Draw a circle of radius 3 centimeters. So first we should draw the rough figure of the question. This is the circle of radius 3 centimeters.
Take 2 points P and Q.
Okay.
One of its extended diameter each at a distance 7 centimeters from its center.
Okay. From the center, the distance of the 2 points P and Q are on the opposite side, like P is here at the distance of 7 centimeter and Q is here at the distance of 7 centimeter from the center. Now from these 2 points, I think we have to draw the tangents. Huh? So first please draw the construction. Do it. In a notebook, construct the figure. Draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. First of all, according to the question, we will draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. Who has this construction box? Raise your hand. Geometry box. Who have their geometry box? Compass? Okay. And this last line? Raise your hand which have the construction. We have the compass and scale and pencil. Grammar. Sorry. You have? Okay. Then draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. Draw it. Draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter and extend the diameter on both the sides such that the distance from the center of the point P and Q are 7 centimeter. If any one of you have any problem in the question, you can ask me. Draw the circle of radius 3 centimeter. Fast. Faster. Okay. Extend the diameter up to the point P and Q such that the distance from the center is 7 centimeters. For both the points P and Q. Fast. Circle of radius 3 centimeter and extend the diameter on both the sides such that the distance of the point P and Q from the center is 7 centimeters. Saloni, have you constructed the circle? Good. So taking 2 points P and Q at a distance of 7 cm from the circle. Now what is the method to draw the tangent to the circle from the given point? Rather, what is the method? How can you construct the tangent from the point B? What is the method for construction of a tangent to the circle? How can you construct the tangent from the point P to the circle? If you are not update your homework, it will be happen. Ajendra, how can we construct the tangent from the given point P? Please draw construction yourself. You know how can we construct the tangent to the circle? Huh? Do yourself. Ajendra, how can we construct the tangent from the given point P? What is the method? What are you doing? Do you have compass? Huh? You don't have the scale. But you can't borrow scales from others. No. You can कोई भी distance ले. Ajendra, okay. Kashish, how can we construct the tangent? What is the method? No, you don't know. Because you did not do the construction. That's why you don't know how can we construct the tangents. Priyanshu?
I'm more than half.
Okay. So we say draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Yeah. This is the perpendicular bisector of OP. Then
Okay.
let the point which intersect OP is M. Then बेटा जब क्वेश्चंस करोगे ना तो करने आएंगे, खाली आके बैठ जाओगे घर चले जाओगे तो कुछ नहीं आएगा फिर। ओके, who is going to explain? Disha, no, okay. Yes, Anshika, huh?
I'm taking M as center.
Yeah, taking M as a center and
M as radius.
and draw the circle. Okay, very good. So we will draw the circle with the center M and taking OM as the radius. Very good. Which intersect the circle at 2 points are A and B. At these 2 points, this circles intersect the circle. Given circle. So meet the point P with A and P with B. Is it clear? Okay. So same as you can construct the tangent from this point Q. Same as you will draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ and then again construct the circle, and at the point at which the circle intersects B circle will be the tangent. Anyone have doubt? Can I stop? This is out. Anyone have doubt in this question? For completing this question, we will again construct the tangents from this point Q, like same as. Now the question number, Nitin? 5. Okay. What is question 5?
Draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm.
Okay. Draw the line segment AB of 8 cm. Then
Taking A as center, draw a circle of radius 4 cm.
from the center A, we have to draw the circle of radius 4 cm. Okay. Then
And taking B as center,
yeah,
draw another circle of radius 3 cm.
of radius 3 cm. This is another circle of radius 3 cm.
Construct tangent.
What is the distance between the A and B?
8 cm.
8 cm. Okay. So it should be there. The distance is on each. Okay. Then
Construct tangent to each circle from the center of
okay. First, sit down. First, draw the line segment AB of 8 cm. Draw the line segment AB of 8 cm. Anshika, point again. Doesn't matter, you have done already. Draw again. So this is the AB of 8 cm. Now from the center A, we have to draw the circle of radius 4 cm. So taking 4 cm is the radius, and from the center A, draw the circle. This is a circle of radius 4 cm. Now according to question, we also have to construct the circle from the center B and taking 3 cm the radius. So draw the another circle of radius 3 cm from the center B. Draw the another circle with the center B and having the radius of 3 cm. Okay. Then from the point A, you have to construct the tangent. So what is the method to construct the tangent to this circle from the point A? Now who is going to explain? No, not you. Nitin, how can you draw the tangent from the point A?
Tangent.
Yeah.
आर्क लगाएंगे हम पहले.
कितना तरीका है?
पहले डिस्टेंस लेंगे हम A और O की.
वो तो है ही.
A B से करेंगे.
क्या?
डिस्टेंस लेंगे फिर आर्क लगाएंगे.
क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे.
क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे?
A डिस्टेंस A B.
Ajendra? Ajendra? Okay, you are Ajendra. Sorry. Ashish?
कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे
क्या कंस्ट्रक्शन करेंगे?
आज लगाएंगे
क्या आपको लगाएंगे?
एक
मेरे ख्याल से उसके लिए कोई टर्म यूज किया जाता है?
4 सेंटीमीटर का जो परपेंडिकुलर है
Yeah. We will draw the perpendicular bisector of this line segment AB. So please draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. So you don't need to explain how can we construct the perpendicular bisector. You will write only that draw the perpendicular bisector of AB. Don't need to write the whole method for this. So this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Have you constructed? The method for making the tangents is same for every question. More than half of AB. Have you drawn the perpendicular bisector? Now you know that from this center, with this center and having the radius of OA, we will draw a circle. So you can draw this circle by dotted lines. It's up to you. If you want to draw with the dotted lines, you can do it. Otherwise, you can construct hole. You have done? Okay, good. Now you get the point for making the tangent to the circle. This circle intersect this smaller circle at this point. Let this point is P and this one is Q. So join A with Q and A with P. This is the tangent to the smaller circle. And for the larger circle, the intersection points are suppose R and S. So you can join B with S and R. These are the tangents to the larger circle. Any doubt? Now the next doubt is question number 7. Huh? Rishant? Question 7.
Draw a circle with the help of a triangle.
So you have to draw the circle with help of a triangle. So you know, I know that you don't have any triangle. So draw the circle by using your compass. Draw a circle by using your compass. Because here you don't have a triangle. Of any radius. Ma'am. Have you drawn the circle? Now, in this question, we will not use the center of the circle. Because for this question, it is given that draw the circle by using a bangle. It means you don't have the center of the circle. So, okay. Now question.
Take a point outside the circle.
Now you have to take any point outside the circle.
Construct the pair of tangent from this point to the circle.
Now for any question, you know that if you want to draw the tangent, you should know where is the center of the circle. So by finding the center of the circle, we can easily draw the tangent to the circle. Now for this question, since the center of the circle we don't know, so first we will find the center of the circle. What is the method to find the center of the circle? How can we find the center of the circle? Priyanshu. Very good. Take two chords, non-parallel chords. It can be like this. Any chords which are non-parallel to each other. So please draw any two chords to the circle which are not parallel to each other. For finding the center of the circle, this is the only method. So draw any two chords which are not parallel to each other. Priyanshu, next. और कोई? हाँ अंशिता. Yes. Now we will construct the perpendicular bisector of these chords. We know that the perpendicular bisectors meet at the center of the circle. So draw the perpendicular bisector of AB and BC. The method is same. You will take the length more than half of AB to draw the arc on both sides from A and B. जैसे आपने यहाँ किया था ना, same. From the center A, make an arc of radius more than half of AB. And with the same radius, make another arc from the point P. So this is the method to construct the perpendicular bisector. Same as you will construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. The point where these two perpendicular bisectors meet will be the center of the circle.
Yes, ma'am.
So first of all, we will find the center of the circle by making the perpendicular bisector of the two chords which are not parallel to each other.
मैम इसके सेंटर से लेना है मोर देन हाफ प्लीज।
नहीं, AB की लेंथ से more than half लेना है बेटा, ये AB है ना, आपके पास स्केल है तो why are not using a scale? दो स्केल है। बना दिया सेंटर में क्या? अब बना देंगे। The method is same. Now you know the center of the circle, you know the external points. So the method for making the tangents is same. After getting the center of the circle, the method for making the tangents is same for every question. Good. Taking another point outside the circle, this is like here, the point P.
अब उस पॉइंट पर ज्वाइन कर देना।
अब उस पॉइंट को ज्वाइन करके सेम परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर ड्रॉ करके सर्कल ड्रॉ करके टेंजेंट्स ड्रॉ करेंगे। ठीक है, एनी पॉइंट आउटसाइड द सर्कल हियर लाइक दिस। हाँ, वो सेम मेथड। Taking any point outside the circle, like I am taking this point P outside the circle, and for making the tangent the method is same. We will join OP and draw the perpendicular bisector of OP and draw the circle by this center, and at the point where these circle intersect the circle, given circle is the point of tangents. So these are the tangents. You can mark it like PQ and PR. Done? So now we have completed the construction of the chapter 11. So now we will start the revisions of the chapter. First of all, we will revise the most important chapter, that is the massolations, surface area and volume. Okay? Now you will practice from your NCERT book or any other side book, and you will bring your practice here in your school, and I will check your notebooks, and then you can ask any question from the surface area and volume. Now the reason of the chapter, surface area and volume, and I will take the test once in a week. So the day you will decide on which day you would like to give me the test of the chapter. The whole week we will revise the chapter. Like we are revising the chapter surface area and volume, and after the whole week we will take a test of this chapter. So like today is Friday, I think. So from tomorrow we will start the revision of the chapter surface area and volume, and after once a week, on next Saturday we will take the test of this chapter. So do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Please revise your chapter. Practice hard.